What's up, everybody? Tonight we're doing something a little different, making treats for our furry friends. That's right, we're going to be making pumpkin and peanut butter dog treats. So, cheers and let's cook. So the first thing I did was preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to add all my wet ingredients to my mixing bowl. I got a half cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of all-natural peanut butter, and 2 large eggs. Now I'm just going to throw on my paddle attachment and mix these up until it's nicely incorporated. That's looking good, so I'm just going to take a handy dandy spatula, wipe down these edges. And now we're going to go in with our flour. I got 2 cups of whole wheat flour. So pour that in. And we'll mix that until it turns into a dough. That's looking good. Just get that off of our paddle. Pop that off. And we're ready to roll it out. I got some more whole wheat flour here. Just gonna sprinkle some onto the table. Start flattening that out. Rolling pin, just gonna roll that till it's about a 1/4 inch all the way around. Our dough's all rolled out, and I got this little bone cookie cutter here. You could just use little circles, whatever you want. It just might affect the cooking time a little bit. So now we're just going to cut these guys out. I'm going to go onto a sheet tray that I line with parchment paper. Treats are cut out, and now I'm going to go into a 350-degree oven until they're nice and crispy. It's been 30 minutes and we are quite dry, which is what we're looking for. Time to pull them out and let them cool down. Well, that's it, folks. I really hope your pups enjoy these. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, all the recipes are written in the description below the video. Cheers. And I'll see you next time.